Hi guys! Today we're going to be talking about who is your perfect customer. A lot of times we call this a customer avatar. Now you guys might be familiar with Avatar, you know, the blue people that fly around, the Na'vi, and the winged creatures. That's not the avatar I'm talking about. If you're in the gaming world, you also know that an avatar usually represents yourself out there while you're playing a game. You will usually pick an avatar that has, at least gaming, from what I know. I'm not the gamer I used to be. Anyway, you pick qualities that you want to embody within the game. So if you're playing Zelda, which is the game I grew up on, you might pick to have the sword or to have the magic or to have whatever it is that you want to have, because that is the perfect embodiment of what you want to be. A customer avatar is no different. Customer avatar is who is the person that would buy your product. Your product is weight loss products, whether it's skincare, whether it's Tupperware, whether it's makeup, whether it's clothes, whether it's books, whether it's jewelry. There's so many different things, and it really doesn't matter whether you have a traditional business or you have a non-traditional business, such as a network marketing company. You guys are all looking at customers who would buy your product. This is what the basis of commercials are about when you watch them on TV. They are looking for a specific target audience who they're preaching to, who will be like, oh my gosh, I totally want that. So for me, if you're gonna do a good advertisement, you're gonna throw some tacos in it, you might throw some tequila in it, and you got my attention. So when you're thinking about what you're selling, you need to think about who it is that wants your products. If you're selling clothing, for example, I love these skirts that I buy from this lovely lady. They are like these tennis skirts, and they're like made out of like swimsuit material, and then they got skirts underneath. They're amazing. I can totally link you to her on Instagram below. I'll make sure and put that in there. They are fabulous. Check them out. But I'm not going to market that towards guys. I mean, maybe, but that's not marketed towards guys. That's marketed towards girls, and a lot of times it's marketed towards girls who want to play sports in cute little shorts, like tennis players, or people who like to bum around and not have stuff that doesn't wrinkle, like me. So you want to think about stuff like that. So here's a couple steps to think about who your customer is, or who the avatar would be. I want you to stop the camera right now, and I want you to go get a piece of paper. Okay, great. You got your piece of paper? Good. First thing I want you to do is I want you to draw your customer, like I did. It can be a stick figure like mine if you want. Then we're gonna start listing and answering a couple questions underneath your person. By the way, I'll put these questions in the show notes below. The first thing I want you to answer is, what does your perfect customer look like? Are they male or female? What's their hair like? Are they overweight? Are they fit? What is their job or occupation? Are they a stay-at-home mom? Are they a personal trainer? Are they a work-at-home mom? Are they a work-at-home dad? Are they a teacher? Are they a plumber? Are they a cop? What are they? What kind of things do they like? Do they love makeup? Do they love jewelry? Do they eat food on the go because they're moving so fast? Do they like being fit? Do they love clothes? Do they love shopping? Do they like really nice looking things? Do they like gemstones? Do they like skincare products? Do they like smelling good? I mean, I think most people like smelling good, but you never know. There are teenage boys. I mean, I used to be a former high school teacher, and teenage boys sometimes. What is their age? Are they a millennial? Are they, what am I called, a zennial? Is that what the age range is when you're 40? Is zennial? Are they over 60? Are they a teenager? Can it be 30 to 40? Like, what is their age? Like, you can give a range, but the closer you can get to the age, the better. Do they have any kids? Do they have one kid? Do they have two kids? Do they have 3 girls? Okay, what do they have? So those are the first. That's kind of all questions embodied into one thing. The second thing I want you to answer is, what problems does that person have? What things can you solve? So for example, I have a friend in the healthcare industry, and one of the problems I was looking to solve is I was up to my highest weight without being pregnant. So I needed to lose some weight. So I did two things. One, she helped me do some meal supplements. And two, I went to a gym. So both of those things helped me out. And the gym is like one of those hardcore gyms that is like a trainer and gym all combined, and I don't leave there without dying. So these two things both spoke to me. And they're both, I was their customer. That's what they're looking for. In addition to that, you could do what keeps them up in life, what keeps them going, what keeps them up at night, what are the things that they really need. For my hairstylist, maybe my hair needs to be cut, or maybe my hair is too frizzy and I need something to control that. This is true in the summer. Question number 3, what things would they need in order to help solve that problem? For me, once again, being overweight, I need a diet plan or something to help me control my diet, and I need exercise. Because let's face it, you can eat healthy or think you're eating healthy, but exercise is really good for your cardiovascular system, and it's helpful to burn fat. So I kind of got that with, you know, my two things that I went to, the gym and my friend. So lastly, I want you to put all of these things together and kind of come up with maybe name your avatar. Name them. Like you could put like Bob or Susie or, you know, Jackie or Pablo. I have a Pablo avatar, but Pablo avatar is handing me drinks on a beach, one for each hand. But anyway, I digress. What is it that you are looking to actually, like, what is their whole embodiment? And once you get that down, you should have a better idea. Another way to do a customer avatar is to just think about it simply in terms of what would you like. If you're looking to find somebody that is similar to you, like if you own a woodworking business, for example, I follow Remington Avenue, Remington Style, Remington something on Instagram, and she builds all her own, like built-ins. She does a lot of woodworking. Who does that appeal to? That appeals to people that want to build their own things. So if I were a person that wanted to do a lifestyle blog on woodworking, I would want to market myself. My perfect avatar would be those who wanted to build things as well, that like to do stuff, that like to get down and dirty with those things. So that is the kind of thing I would look for, and that would be somebody just like me. So you want to think about things like that. So let's review the 3 questions you want to do. What do they look like? Their sex, their job, their likes, their dislikes. You don't have to do dislikes, but likes. Do they have kids? 2, what problems do they have with their life? What keeps them up at night? What are things that they really want to change? And 3, what do they need to do in order to change that said problem? Okay, write it all out, name your avatar, and then look into that. That should help you market your business a little bit better. For example, if I'm selling, let's go back to the healthcare. If I'm selling things that help people lose weight, but this person is completely fit and has super uber muscles like the Rock, then that's not my customer. Now, if they're looking to build up muscle, I can probably help them too. But if they're fit already, that's probably not somebody that I'm going to want to market to. So find your audience. This will help you. Find your avatar, name them. Let me know in the comments what the name of your avatar is, because, you know, I think mine's going to be called Pablo. Oh wait, once again, that's for me on a beach. Just kidding. But drop me the name of your avatar. Maybe even give me the description of your avatar in the comments, and we're good to go. I hope that you found value out of this. Let me know. Give me a thumbs up. Drop a comment. Message me. My contact information on social media is below. And good luck. I hope you guys sell lots and 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 lots of amazing product. Bye guys.